Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I got my Kiwi Club in the mail yesterday, so I wanted to share that with you. This is the August 2021 Kiwi Club Kit called The Apple of My Eye. And I have been waiting for this. I know they are shipping a little bit later in the month, for, they're anticipating for the rest of the year. So it's not coming quite as early, and it's hard to wait. But always worth the wait. So let's take a look and see what we've got this time. I'm going to set aside the templates for right now, and I'll set aside the cards for right now. Let's take a quick look at the back of the package because it always has some hints. So we've always got a display of the papers that are included, and then these are the templates that are included, so we'll take a look at those more closely in a minute. And then the sets that are going to be heavily featured in the idea book are always down here. So we've got Cascade Trails Fun Border, the Autumn Accessory, and then the School Accessory. So if you're a Kiwi Club member and those aren't sets you have yet, it may be that you want to take a look into those. So, alrighty, here we go. Let's take a look at the paper. So I'm just going to start from the top. So we've got this really fun floral. I think I'm going to turn this way. So really fun floral with kind of a background stripe. And then kind of an orange, just pattern page on the back. Got all these fun apples. I like the palette of this. It's definitely fall, but then it's got that kind of blue add-on that's going to be fun, and the green. That's a neat geometric pattern. I love these dots. Really cool. And just a blue kind of diamond design on the back. This one's more of a dark blue with some design. And then kind of a woven feel on a yellow. Oh, this stripe is beautiful. Neat. It's almost got like a plum, one of the stripes. I like it. Woof, very bright green on the back. Have a deep red here. Looks like a little leaf pattern on it. And then a gingham design on the back. And then we're to our background sheets. So we've got two of this deep red. This beautiful color. And then the back side is kind of a light yellow or tan. It's pretty. And then the deep blue, there's two sheets of this. And the back side of it is more of a light blue color. So lots of great papers to create with this month. And as usual, everything really coordinates well. So you can decide what you want to use together. We've got our templates. This set is called Orchard. Okay, so there's 5 templates in this month's set. So we've got this great little basket. Love it. Okay, and let me grab my thing here so we can kind of check sizes as we go. So with this one, we're looking at about 3 inches wide by a little over 2 inches tall, just so that gives you a little bit of perspective. There's a little tiny apple template that comes with this, and this apple, you could make several to put in that basket, which would be really cute. It also comes with a larger apple. Okay, and this one would be fun for tracing the seeds and kind of emphasizing that cut apple if that's what you want to do. So this one is about 2.5 inches wide by 2.5 inches tall. Then there's this fun one, Gosh, you could put a photo in here. You could put a little sentiment in here. You could stamp something. I love that. So it's just a cute little design. So let's see. This one is 1, 2, 3, almost 3.5 inches wide and just a little over 1.25 inches tall. And then we've got this design here. This could really go either way. Okay, so that's kind of a neat, just a kind of a greenery design. This would be beautiful on like an arch for like a wedding, like wedding pictures, you know, coming along the edge of a page or a block of photos. I have not had a chance to look at the idea book yet, so I'm excited to see what they did with this. So this one is about 6 inches wide, and if you go from the shortest part here up to the tallest, we're dealing with 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 inches tall. Okay, so lots of great templates this month that could be used obviously with the kit, but then off on their own for future projects as well. And those are my favorite, are the templates that really have some longevity and flexibility and that I know I'll be able to use from year to year. All right, so let's take a look here at the sentiment cards. So we've got the 3x4, the 4x4, and the 4x6. So we've got laugh, learn, love, and home. I'm sure, yeah, see these all are gonna work really well with that new template. So that's fun. Backside's just patterned. Pick your own Honey Crisp, Granny Smith, Red Delicious, Apple Orchard, nice. So really fun. I know a girlfriend of mine was like, oh, I love this kit. I'm gonna use it for Apple Hill. And that's a place that she visits every year with her family. And I used to go there as well. Now that I've moved, that's not happening as much, but really perfect for that kind of a trip. This one says, home is wherever my bunch of crazies are. Oh, this is perfect for my house. Love it. All right. The apple never falls far from the tree. Today is a great day to learn something new. And then our family tree. So really great sentiment cards. Again, a lot of flexibility here. Sweeter than a candy apple. Bushels of fun, just a little journaling card. I love you, a bushel and a peck. Homemade apple pie, baked fresh daily. These are so fun. I couldn't have picked a better teacher. Oh, these will be great for little teacher gifts. Cards. Who's an apple's favorite relative? Granny. Apple picking crew. Your apple, absolutely, but apple-salutely amazing. Ready for school. And then class schedule. So I love that the cards are two-sided. If you don't have a kiddo still in school or grandkids to scrapbook with school pictures, you could always just use the back side of those for an embellishment. So again, lots of flexibility always in these kits. Sometimes you have to look beyond the major theme if that's not going to work for you and find some other things to do with it. So I hope that you're liking what you're seeing. Keep your eyes open. I know that there will be some of us who will put together some videos using this kit, and we'll get all of those kind of linked together so you can get them all easily in one place. I'm not sure exactly what date we're releasing those this month. With the kits coming later, it's been a little bit more of a challenge to coordinate. So thanks for being patient with us. Keep your eyes open, and we will talk to you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.